Hello everyone, myself Celsia Joseph from Department of Geology. Today, in this video, I will be giving a brief introduction to petrology. Petrology, the scientific study of rocks. Rocks may seem ordinary, but they are vital to understanding the structure and history of our planet. Let's explore what petrology is, why we study rock, how they form, and how we investigate them. What is petrology? Petrology is a branch of geology focused on the origin, composition, structure, and history of rocks. A petrologist is someone who studies the rocks, identify their mineral content, and observe their features. We also have two sub-branches, petrography and petrogenesis. Petrography, which is microscopic study and classification of rocks using the thin sections. Petrogenesis, which is specifically deals with the origin and evolution of igneous rocks. What is a rock? A rock is a naturally occurring solid made of one or more mineral and sometimes natural glass. There are two main types, monomineralic and polymineralic. Monomineralic rock made of a single mineral, like example, limestone, dunite, anorthosite, pyroxenite. In limestone, mostly made up of calcite mineral. Dunite is mostly made up of olivine mineral. Anorthosite is made up of anorthite mineral. Pyroxenite made up of pyroxene mineral. And second category is polymineralic rock, which contain multiple minerals. Example is granite, which is made up of quartz, feldspar, and mica. How do rocks form? Rocks form through three major processes, giving rise to three major category of rock type. First one is igneous rock. Igneous rocks form from cooling and solidification of magma. Best example are basalt and granite. Second category is sedimentary rock, formed by the compaction of sediments or chemical precipitation. Examples are sandstone and shale. Third type is metamorphic rock, formed when existing rocks are changed by heat and pressure. Marble and schist are best example of metamorphic rocks. All of these are part of rock cycle, a dynamic system where rocks can transform from one type to another over geological time. And why do we study rocks? Why is studying rocks so important? Rocks record Earth's geological history. They help to understand the formation of continent, volcanic activity, and tectonic movements. They guide us to the important natural resources like minerals, oil, and groundwater. Rocks also help in construction, archaeology, and environmental studies. The main reason behind the rock study is to reconstruct past environment and predict future geological events. How do we study rocks? Petrologists study rocks both in field and laboratory. In the field, we examine rock outcrops, note the structures, and collect the samples. In the lab, we prepare thin section and using polarizing microscope to study the mineral textures and relationship. Advanced techniques are there. HRD, EPMA, geochemical analysis. Using XRD, we can identify the mineral composition. Using EPMA, we can determine the chemical composition. Geochemical analysis can be used for revealing the formation history and source. To conclude, petrology is more than just a rock study. It helps us to unlock the earth deep secret, past event, and future resources. Whether it's a volcanic lava, a sedimentary fossil bed, or a deep crystal metamorphic rock, every rock tells a story, and petrologists are the storytellers of Earth history. Thanks for watching.